Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will test the microphone on the headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra. So let's start the test. I'm now speak as a normal volume. The fox jumps over the dog, she sells shells by the shore, Peter picks a pack of papers, how much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I'm now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dog, she sells shells by the shore, Peter picks a pack of papers, how much wood can a woodchuck chuck? Let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? That's it. Now we should check a result. Oh, I guess the headphones it's still connecting. So we should disconnect them. Jesus. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I am now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? Let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? So as you can hear, not the worst microphone, but still, I don't like it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.